Niritana riria rikitio ni Kamiti ya NECC ria kwendekithia mutaratara wa kurima mititu-ini uninwo kaimana ikiuga ucini wa makara na utemi wa miti niwongererekete na gikiro kinene thutha wa ruhonge rwa KFS kuremwo ni guthingatithia mutaratara uyu.
We want to say that this is an issue that we are talking about wetlands. The source of water that comes to most of the lakes, whether it is Lake Victoria, whether it is Lake Naivasha, whether it is Lake Baringo, all of them are coming from a water tower. And that water tower is basically a forest. And we cannot sit as people of Kenya, we cannot sit as people, as National Environment Committee, seeing our forest cover being destroyed every day through illegal logging.
The forest bodies must beacon their land and clearly label it that beyond this area you cannot go, because this is a property of Mau forest or Aberdare forest, because that is the first step towards protecting that forest.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu Kamiti ĩno nĩ ĩgathĩrĩirie kuninwo kwa ũhũthĩri wa maratathi ma mĩnyore, makiuga ikinya rĩrĩ rĩkũhũra njeki mĩhang'o ya gũthaitĩra marĩa maturigiciirie.
First of all, I want to thank the people of Kenya for ensuring that this issue of solid waste management, the issue of the ban on plastics, is actually in the right course. We are doing well, and I'm sure if we can actually follow the same route, this has been a case study that has been successful.
Oho Kamiti ĩno nĩ yugite no ĩgũthiĩ na mbere na mĩhang'o ya kũgitĩra mĩtitũ kũrĩa maĩ maumaga, ĩrĩ ta njĩra ya kũhũrana na ũgwati wa kũhuka kwa mĩtitũ na wagi wa maĩ. Ribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Maina wa Mwangi.